ones, I teach the chemical, energy, and mechanical technology class as well as industrial maintenance class. A couple things that we cover is basic production mechanics. Then we get into the non-renewable energy systems, your gas and oil, your coal. Try to go to the Pleasant Power Station and do a tour of their plant. The students get to actually wire up and set up to do solar power and wind power. Some of the certifications that they also get, they'll get OSHA 10, they get their rig pass. We're also implementing where we're going to do forklift training. So the students will get to run a forklift. We do oxy fuel setup as well. We do the McElroy, what's called McElroy pit bull pipe fusion, where they weld plastic pipe together. We also do a lot of pipe threading. They'll learn how to hand thread pipe, use a power threader, and then we go into doing welding. The students will learn how to stick weld and MIG weld. Some of the certifications, as well as they do tooling U lessons, where each lesson that they complete, they get a certification. We team up and we have a robotic arm, so we'll learn some basics of robotics as well. One of the big thing about this program in particular, at the end of the day, you should be able to know a little bit about electrical. You'll know a little bit about plumbing from the pipe threading. You'll be able to weld it. You'll be able to work on it. It's a wide variety. We have our trainers. We have a building where we can go in and actually put in outlets and lights and wire it up. We have small little trainers where the students can set and make little fans work and lights and set it up for AC and DC and things like that. This is a really overall good program. Call it more so the multi-craft because of the different things you get to learn. From everything from hydraulics to electrical to mechanical, lawnmower engines, whatever. We encourage the students to think outside the box, and we allow them to make things. If they want to make something out of scrap metal, we encourage that. We also do projects like North Bend State Park. We're building gates for them, and the students get to work on that. And something to be proud of when you walk in the park and you go down the rails to trails, and you see a gate and say, hey, I made that. I'm looking forward. I hope you guys are really interested in this program. I'd enjoy having you, and hope to see you next year.